CBS3 Duluth WeatherMax forecast with meteorologist Dave Anderson.
Well, for towns north of Duluth, it got colder than I expected. I thought we'd bottom out around 15 below, but let's get into the map here and take a look at International Falls. 22 below this morning, 20 below towards Orr and Ely, 16 below in Hibbing. Even Hayward got to 13 degrees below zero, but on the other side, also staying warmer than I expected. Ironwood at 12 above. Well, I don't know how many folks are going to have 12 above tomorrow morning, but with a warming trend coming, I think most towns are going to indeed be above zero, if not by a degree at least, right there at zero. The warm spell's coming, daytime highs getting into the 30s, even 40s for the weekend. So this cold snap will go away, and I don't see another one in the 7-day forecast. I see right now at the airport we have 19 above, 38% for the relative humidity, so it's kind of dry out there. Northwest winds running 9 miles per hour, and the air pressure is running high at 1,023 millibars. So let's eye up the current temperatures. We have 17 Watersmeet to 18 in Ironwood, 20 to 23 degrees through northwestern Wisconsin here. Superior seems to be the top vote getter as far as temperatures go. 23 is also being found in Moose Lake, 19 to 21 or so for many towns on the North Shore, though up the Gunflint, of course, it falls off fairly rapidly. 18 Ely, 19 Hibbing, 21 Grand Rapids, 21 also International Falls. Lows tonight, I'm thinking about 0 to 5 or so for the ranges, and perhaps 7 to 8 here closer to the lake, and a range of above zero temperatures from perhaps 3 to 9 in that neck of the woods, followed by high temps in the 30s. Come tomorrow. Well, coming right now, we've got clouds that are trying to filter in, replacing the high pressure cell that we've had for a while. So as far as precip goes, tail end of a low pressure system is keeping some parts of the UP under the clouds with a little bit of lake effect snow. But here in our area, from our part of the UP in through northern Minnesota, still on the clearer side, all thanks to that high pressure cell. But again, it's going away. Low pressure systems, one to the south, one to the west, with a warm front in between coming our way. And for Saturday, that means it's going to be mild. And then the warmer air behind the warm front gets with us on Sunday, and it comes straight up warm into the 40s. Lower 40s, I'm thinking. But upper 20s is where we're supposed to be, so it's a bit of a warm spell. And neither low is really that close to our area, so it probably will bring the warmth and some clouds, but no precipitation. I think it'll be cloudy but dry here this weekend. Forecast tonight, well, we can call this warm since it is above zero, going from 0 in Ely to 1 towards Hibbing to 10 right by the lake here in the Twin Ports. Increasing clouds. They'll increase in Wisconsin, Michigan as well, with 3 to about 7 for the temps there. And then for tomorrow, with a mostly cloudy sky in Wisconsin and Michigan, we go towards 35 degrees. And in Minnesota, well, down towards Moose Lake, we might even go to 36. With a mostly cloudy sky. And then come Sunday, partly sunny and 42 degrees. Cools down a little bit on Monday, 31 with partly cloudy sky. Precip chance this week, well, we're still looking at Tuesday, Wednesday, but it's only a 30% chance for flurries to maybe an inch or so of snow. So not a huge deal. Not a huge end to February here and an introduction to March. That's wild and crazy. Lion-like, more lamb-like this year.
Yeah, definitely. Look at Sunday.
Yeah, no kidding. That's a lot of ice melting weather there, so be careful on the lakes if you're going fishing.
Indeed, be careful. But for those who are craving late season ice, well, be careful on it like we just mentioned. But once it cools down again by Monday, maybe that'll help preserve it a little while longer.
All right, thanks, Dave.